Live from the financial capital of the world, Squawk on the Street starts right now. Good morning, everybody. I'm Mark Haynes.
And I'm Aaron Burnett. And the big question, will we hit Dow 12,000 for the first time since June 2008? Why did I pause? Because I was looking and sniffing around at the futures to see if we could hit it at the open. And it looks like we'll be a little shy of it, but very close.
Has it been that long, June of 08?
June of 2008.
Here's a check on the futures right now. Of course, we'll keep a sharp eye on it. Right now, looks like a flat open on the Dow. There must be one component that's lagging because the S&P is well above fair value, as is the NASDAQ.
Two Dow components, 35 S&P stocks reporting. Bob's at the real-time exchange tracking several big names. Boeing, UTX, Xerox, all on the list, all trading lower. Boeing in line, but still down.
All right, well, Boeing and Xerox explain why the futures look the way they look.
That's exactly right. You got UTX too. Okay, Bob, take it away.
Hey, for Boeing, we're smack in the middle of earnings season. So we've got a few big names this morning here. UTX, I'm loving this report. They reported earnings and revenues ahead of consensus and affirmed their 2011 guidance. They gave that back in December. UTX operates in aerospace, defense, construction, a lot of different businesses. The key to watch here is order trends, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. For the most part, they're strong. Look at this. New equipment orders at Otis Elevator up 11%. Commercial heating, ventilation, and air conditioning business. That's the carrier division up 21%. Great numbers. That was up only 3% last quarter. And look at the strong showing in the aerospace part of their business. Hamilton Sunstrand, that's the aerospace division. Orders up 31%. What? They were only up 13% last quarter. Commercial spare parts business up 45%. That's the Pratt & Whitney division. Excellent numbers, particularly considering the weakness in commercial real estate and defense here in the United States. Here's the problem. The stock is way up. Nothing but up in the last 6 months. Look at this. 6 months. Nothing but up. UTX, historic high, $82.50. We're right at the door of that number. Historic high. As you can see, we're trading down a little bit. Again, great numbers overall for them here. Boeing is not having a good day. Earnings were in line, but the revenues were light. And what happened to the guidance? $3.80 to $4 for 2011. Way light. They cited a poor defense environment. They also talked about the revised 787 schedule and a pension contribution they have to make. But the key here is commercial airplanes. That's half their sales. Revenues decreased 11%. Deliveries of some of the planes a little bit lighter than expected. Revenues for the defense area, the space and security division, also down about 5%. Boeing's not going to have a good day. It's down about 3%. The key issues on the conference call, 10:30 Eastern time, I'll be listening, is the 787. They're promising for the third quarter, what's the production ramp up going to look like and how much are defense cuts going to affect them in 2011. Finally, Xerox reported earnings and revenues about in line with expectations. Guidance a bit on the light side. Mark, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Bob.